So what happens is an input comes in, it goes into the black box, and so then the black box, as many times as we need it, it will cycle that information through before you actually get the output you desire. And so, for example, let's say our first input into the black box is we're trying to do letter prediction. So we're trying to have the AI predict letter by letter until it forms the word hello. So let's say we go in and we input the letter H first, and then it'll go through. It'll go initially. There's nothing to for it to keep in memory, and what the desired output is E, right? And so now H is now in memory, and so H will stay there. And now, E is the next letter, so now we're going to input E into the network, and so now it's going to now at least has some context, and this is how it differs from vanilla neural networks. Now it has some context. Now it goes, okay, well, I saw H before, and now there's an E. And so I'm getting a sense that the word we're looking for is hello. And so with both H and E, it will determine that the output should be L, which is correct, right? And so now it has H and E in memory. And so now the next letter is L that we pass into it. And now it goes, okay, well, H-E-L. The next word is probably going to be, sorry, the next letter is probably going to be an L again. And so then that's what it outputs. And now L goes into memory. And then you repeat again for the second L. And it's like, okay, well, hold up. I already have H-E-L, L. So the next word, so, again, this is on a model that's specifically trained to output hello. You can have models that, are trained to help output other letters. So it might give you a prediction of, well, there might be a space here, and we'll just stop at the word hell, or we'll put O at the end to make it hello. But in this case, we're just going with the model that's only trained to output the word hello. So you input the other L, it goes, okay, well, I already have H-E-L. L is now the input, and so combined, it's the last letter that we're missing is O to complete this word, and so eventually at the very end it will output letters to form the word hello. And so that's how it works.